So we have to give the regular expression for the following over the sigma 0 comma 1. So the strings with at least two consecutive zeros. Two consecutive zeros means we should have two zeros, nothing in between. So we are going to fix two consecutives. Now we had fixed it. Now what about the other thing? Can we have more than two zeros? Yes. In the beginning or in the ending, that is not mentioned. So for the beginning, any combination of zeros 1 can have two consecutive zeros, that we know. 0 plus 1 whole closure will contain two consecutive zeros. It can contain more than two consecutive zeros also. So that's why we are putting 0 plus 1 in the beginning also, in the ending also, after fixing the at least one position of two consecutive zeros. Now any combination, any number of zeros followed by any number of ones. So any number means asterisk, any number of asterisk of 0 followed means dot, by any number means asterisk of ones, asterisk of ones. So 0 asterisk dot 1 asterisk. At least 1 0, at least 1 0 followed means dot, by at least 1 is 1. So 0 dot 1 is at least 1 0 followed by at least 1 1. All string ending with 0 1 1, that means your string has to terminate with 0 1 1. In the beginning what will be there? So in the ending we should have 0 1 1. At the end at the beginning we don't know. It can have 0, it can have 1, it can have 0 0, it can have 1 1, it can have 1 0 0 1, anything. So for that what we are putting is 0 plus 1 the whole asterisk, any combination in the beginning, but this should end with 0 1 1. All the strings starting with 0, that we had fixed the position. Ending with 1, we had fixed the last position. What about the in between part? Can have in between, I can have 0, I can have 1 1, I can have 0 1 1, I can have 1 1, anything. So for anything 0 plus 1 the whole closure. String containing 0 1. So first for example we are first writing 0 1. Okay, so where it will be? If it is in the beginning, so 0 1, string containing 0 1. What about the remaining portion? Anything. For anything, any combination of 0 1. This means always your string is starting with 0 1, but I don't want that. I can have the string ending with 0 1. For ending with 0 1, now this is ending with 0 1. So what I have to add? Beginning portion. So beginning portion will be any combination. So 0 plus 1 the whole string, 0 dot 0 1, and then 0 plus 1 the whole closure. That is I have fixed anywhere it can your string 0 1 will appear either in the beginning. How it will be in the beginning? You hide this position. Either at the end you hide this position. Single 0 followed by any number of 1, or single 1 followed by any number of 0. Single 0 followed by any number of 1, or means plus sign. Single 1 followed dot by any number of 0. Starting with A, we have fixed the position A. Ending with AB. What about the middle position? Anything. For anything we are writing A plus B the whole closure. All the string of length 0 for 0 1. So length 3. All the string should have length 3 means what of for 0 1. So 0 1. How many times? What should be the length? The length we had already discussed. For handling the length, the simplest format is we have to put over 3. So 0 plus 1 raised to 3 means we can have all the strings of length 3 like this. Okay, even number of 0 means, that means always we are going to have 2 zeros. 2 0, then 4 0, then 6 0. So the repetition. So for repetition we are putting this. That means always your string will start with 0 0 only. So I don't want that. The string can start with 1, but if we are going to add 1, always your string is starting with 1 and having the even number of 0. I don't want the string to always start with 1 also, so I ignore the 1. In between two zeros I can have single 1. So what I can do, I can add 1, but always your 1 is coming in between. I don't want that also, so what I can do, I can ignore it. Always the string is ending with 0 only. I don't want that also, so what I can put 1, but always your string is ending with 1. so I can ignore it. So this will be your answer. 1 asterisk 0, 1 asterisk 0, 1 asterisk the whole asterisk. Odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros is 3 zeros. Then the repetition. Okay, again your string is starting with 0, I can start with 1. Always your string is starting with 1, I can ignore it. Always your strings are having continuous 0, consecutive 0. I don't want that. I can have 1 here. So always I cannot have the last two zeros are ending with consecutive zeros, so I can ignore that also. Okay, so that will be your answer. Zeros divisible by 5. 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of zeros divisible by 5. 5, then 10, then 15, 16. Again, I can have 1. Your string can start with 1 also. I cannot have the consecutive 0. For that, I can put 1 and ignore them also as and when required. So, this is how we have created regular expressions.